What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Marcos, and I have an exciting video I'd like to share with everyone. In Photoshop, there is a magic button, everyone. I'm not kidding. It's a magic button. It's so powerful. But you know the old saying,
with great power comes great responsibility.
What this magic button does is, let's say you want to show more of this image. So let's do an example. Let's increase the image canvas. And you see all this white space? See all this white area around the image? What this magic button does is it fills in that white space with more of the image. What do I mean by that? Let's say you want to show more of the blue sky. You want to show more of the water. You want to show more of the landscape right here. When you hit this magic button, Photoshop will analyze your image and fill in that white space with more of that image. Let me show you. First, you want to pull out your wand tool by hitting W on your keyboard and selecting that white space. Why do you want to select it? Because this is the area we're going to fill in. So select the white area, then go to edit, and then go to content aware fill. This is the most important part, everyone. Content aware fill.
Are you sure about that?
And once you click that button, what Photoshop is doing now is analyzing your image so that way it can fill in that white space with more of that image. And you can see it processing here on the right side. Boom, look at that. You can see it right there. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Did a great job. Photoshop does an amazing job doing this. Now, if you look on your right side, you have a bunch of settings here. I would leave those alone. You really don't need to worry about any of those. But what you do need to worry about is the output settings. And in here, what I typically do is I set it on duplicate layer. And what that means is it's going to duplicate your original layer and apply this canvas fill to that duplicate layer. So that way you keep the original just in case you need to go back. Boom, look at that, fellas. You're showing more of this image. It looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Before, after, before, after. Now, I must say this. Is it perfect? No. As you can see on the right hand side, it's a little blurb, little blob. I think that's more of the water. It's not 100% perfect. You always are going to have to do little touch-ups.
Loser! You're a loser!
What do I mean by that? Here's a quick touch-up. We're going to pull out our stamp tool by hitting S on our keyboard. And then we're going to hold down the Option key or the Alt key, depending on what platform you're using, and selecting an area we like to clone. And all it is you're cleaning it up just like that. Look how quick I cleaned that up. Boom. Most of the stuff you can fix by just using your stamp tool. Such a powerful tool. Hit Alt, and you select that area, and you just, boom, boom. The stamp is just copying wherever area you highlight when you hit Alt.
What are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing!
And look at that. After, before, and after. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if this helps. I'm gonna be showing more videos like this. I'm gonna show more Photoshop tutorials, illustration tutorials, all that hotness, man. I'm gonna show all that good stuff. But that's it for me, everyone. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I will see you on the next one. Peace.